Hi guys, welcome to Saute at Saute.
Like and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for latest updates and recipes.
So to prepare my Kheema Ghotala, I have taken 200 grams of chicken keema and I marinated it with some salt and 2 teaspoons of yogurt. So basically I'm using yogurt, as chicken tends to get very dry easily. So if you add the yogurt, it will give you some, moistness to the meat and it will taste rich as well. So now I'll take a pan and heat it. I'll pour in some oil. I'll be adding some whole spices. Then I'll add in some chopped onion. Now I'll saute the onion until translucent. Now my onions have turned nice and translucent. Now I'll proceed to add the coarsely pounded ginger and garlic and also the ginger garlic paste, so it roasts well with the onions. Here goes in the ginger garlic paste and coarsely pounded ginger and garlic. And now I'll saute it with the onions until the raw smell of the ginger garlic is not gone away. My onions have now sauteed until it's golden brown and the ginger and garlic also has turned out golden and the raw smell has gone away. Now I'll move to the next step is by adding the masalas. I'll add in the chopped green chilies. Stir it well. Then I'll be adding some turmeric powder, some garam masala, cumin powder and coriander powder. I'll mix this really well. Now I'll add half a teaspoon chili powder. Once the masala is fried well for about a minute, now I'll be adding my keema in the pan. I'll add in some salt. Don't add too much of salt because we have already marinated the keema, so just add a little bit so you don't make it salty. And now I'll proceed to rigorously mix the keema with the masala so that it doesn't form lumps. Try to separate the meat so it looks grainy and not lumped. To this I'll be adding 1/4 cup of green peas. This is optional, it will give a better taste to the keema. Try to cut through the meat so you get good grainy meat and not lumps. Now I'll squeeze in half a lime. And pour in some water. Now I will cover this and let it cook for about 7 to 8 minutes. I'll check on the keema right now and I'll further cut into it. Now I'll be adding half a teaspoon more garam masala. I've already whisked 2 eggs and now I'll be adding it to the keema mixture. I'll give it a quick stir. And I'll cook until the egg is not curdled completely. But you don't have to overcook the eggs because then the moistness will go, because chicken is already dry. So it will not give the moistness to the meat. So guys, now I'll be proceeding to add some chopped coriander for garnishing. Give it another quick stir. And my keema is now done and ready to be served with some freshly home baked paos. So I hope you have enjoyed watching the video, guys. Please do like and subscribe to our channel. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter and show us your love. So I'll see you next time, guys.